Yeah, I think it has started. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Yes. I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also good. Happy to see you after such a long time.
Yeah, same here. Likewise. So where have you been
Um,
so long, ma'am, and how has your day been so far?
yeah, I have just vanished and took a break. I took a break to just begin a fresh start. And thank you so much for the motivation. And I wonder that now I will be regular. And my day has been so good so far, busy with the regular routine and nothing special as if. Even I didn't
Oh,
take any class since morning.
that's great. I know today is Sunday, so you must
Yeah.
be on leave, right?
No, I generally don't take leaves on Sunday, but today I didn't have any class scheduled. Otherwise, I even don't take leave on Sunday.
Great. Good to hear that. By the way, you look amazing today
Yeah,
in
thank
this
you so
attire.
much. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. So tell me, do you have any specific questions
Yeah,
or
let's discuss on the topic like if anyone is struggling to achieve fluency in English. So, how one can do that?
mm, if I talk about me, so if anybody are struggling in influencing, right, in their English, so first step I would like to tell all of them to just listen more and more, right? Grasping more and more knowledge about multiple areas so that they can get the data to transform even
Mhm.
modification of their statement accordingly. And they must have the habit of readings because reading is very
Mhm.
imperative, part of every learner
Yeah.
to have more and more experience and context,
Uh-huh.
right, to use on the sport. So these are the
Right.
initial step I would like to, I, I mean, guide all of them to follow out.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's really good. So, how do you achieve fluency in English?
Daily, if honestly I talk about my fluency, I do not think like I'm a really fluent in English. Really, I want more and more accuracy in this language. And if I talk about whatever I have gotten, because of my efforts, you can say earlier time, I used to read a lot of books. I used to
Okay.
listen more and more, and good at speaker as well on social media.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the reason today, whatever I am, because of that.
So, what kind of books do you read to achieve fluency?
Mm. Actually, I was reading novels.
Okay.
Yes. Sometimes I read a low standard book
Uh-huh.
that belongs to 5 class, 6 class, 7 class English
Okay.
medium school books.
Uh-huh. All
Yes.
right. So, what happen if you don't understand anything in that? So, do you refer Google or how do you look for the meaning?
In this time, I would say the very convenient source behind us, surrounding us, Chat GTP, I would say, right?
Yeah.
So if you have the good, mindset, and if you really want to grow yourself in this area, so you must use, Chat GTP,
Yeah.
Gemini. Such is the brilliant feature.
Gemini, have you used? I never used it. I thought of using, but I never used.
Mm, earlier,
Yeah, I didn't use like Gemini ever.
I didn't ever use, so so do I
Mm-hmm.
as well. But I'm just talking about new generation.
Mm-hmm.
Those people who still starts learning this language, so they can they may get benefit by you know.
Right. Okay, so see, I tell you, as you come across that social media nowadays is spreading that we can learn everything from Chat GPT, Gemini, and other AI apps. So, what do you think that what these apps cannot do that you require somebody to help you and guide you in English? Because
Okay,
everything we can ask nowadays, but what AI cannot do that we really need some guidance.
so I would say like they have to take help of any professionals, I think.
So
They
why
must
they need to, this is my question. What do you think, like why they need to take the help of professionals? Because everything AI can do these days. So why you need a professional?
mm, because in some of case the AI is not compatible. I mean, compatible to give all
Mhm.
answer according to your comfort, and they are not that much convenient as we consider if we have been suffering a lot of adversity at the same time, and so it's not certainty we must get entire messages and answer from AI. So in that situation, uh, going through the offline chat, we have to take the better guidance of through the professionals. It may convenient for us.
Yeah, because AI cannot tell you the particular things that you only require. Whatever they will give you in general, and even if you will ask for particular things, they cannot correct you when you're practicing. So
Yes.
that you really need a person. Okay, what
AI.
else? Yes, what else you have done to improve yourself, like apart from reading books?
Mm, actually, I was quite passionate to follow American web series as well. With
Mm-hmm.
the subtitles, I used to watch much and much.
Okay, which web
Yes.
series you have watched? Name few of them.
Yeah, of course. I like adventure, scientific, and I mean actions, adventures, such kinds of
Mhm.
web series I have been through earlier.
So, do you understand when you watch them, or you just understand the halfway?
No, actually, I was able to perceive entirely. If
Mm-hmm.
I was unable to have even single word, so immediately I had to go there on Google and finding the correct meaning on the
Right.
spot.
Yeah, that's right. So, don't you get fearful when you speak in English, or you have the fear of judgment like many people they have nowadays?
No, actually, I have a belief in me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I consider myself, proficient while giving my answers, because it's
Mm-hmm.
obvious things after having the topic, you must have something in your mind to release out on topic, right? And no one will tell you like whatever you have given, it's not suitable for that concept. You
Yeah.
may sometimes wrong, but it's okay, right? After giving a wrong answer in your side, they must give you the correct answer, and that's what I ever imagine internally.
Right.
Whatever I am going to give with the confident.
Yes, because people don't remember your grammar, they remember your confidence.
Yes.
That's correct. But many people, they do not try, just keep on wondering that what will happen if I say wrong. So they have the fear of judgment.
Yeah, judgment and you can say unknown fear that comes every time in the human.
Yeah. You know what is fear? Fear, I told him before in some of my videos also. Fear is nothing. It's just that the anticipation of our thoughts. Suppose we are not able to achieve anything, or we do not have the guts to do that, so we get fearful. So it's a false thing. It is not real. It is just depend like how the kind of the instructions we have given to our brain. So our brain acts accordingly, and we get
Yes.
fearful.
And it might be insecurity, you can say. Like as
Yeah.
far as our performance, if our performance is not there according to our expectation, so what will happen? So
Yeah, I
this
just
will turn
remember
into fear.
a long time back, I was just watching, it's not like related to English, just like an incident to show like what's fair. He said, if you see anywhere an Indian girl will see a cockroach and she will be, oh, cockroach is there. But if you will go to America, the same girl, she will be eating cockroach. So it is also the kind of the mindset we have been and the environment also, and also the kind of the instructions we give to our brain, so
Mm,
that decides our way forward. So we
yeah.
should not be fearful, because fearful is just killing us and not letting us move forward.
And a fear, comes within our thoughts, I would say.
Yeah.
Our thoughts are the biggest enemy for entire life, you can say. They would never let you set free for any moment.
Right.
Whatever you're going to do, firstly that unknown fear comes in you and bothering you internally, disturbing you. They would never let you stand for your any decisions for a long time.
Hmm.
It's totally up to you how you go against your few thoughts and doing beyond of that anything.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. So now, like when you already feel that you have been watching the web series, you read a lot of novels, and daily you keep on practicing. So, how do you feel like how the progress was?
Yeah, I would say I got really good progress. I would say I'm able to convey my message, and I'm able to talk to people. I'm able to manifest my ideas. So yeah, I'm feel very confident, you can say,
So,
while
how
doing
long
all of
does
the things.
it take for you to speak in English properly?
Like I didn't realize it's been I think 4 years I would say, and
Mm-hmm.
in my entire journey I didn't realize when my way of speaking turns into a different way. I didn't realize.
Yeah, that's good. See, this is something really truthful. You said that it takes time to learn a language. You know why people they're not able to learn a language because they have short-term goals. They wonder in 6 months, in 1 year, we will be able to learn that. But that's not possible. See, whatever is your age, from your childhood, you are speaking in some other language. So how is it possible that a magic will come and within 6 months you can start speaking fluently? So it takes time, and some people they don't understand, and at the end of the day they wonder, no, English is not my cup of tea. Why? Because they have short term goals. So to learn a language it takes at least like 1.5 year to 2 year to get a grip on it. Rather it takes at least 3 years to have proper fluency in English, that too if you are regular.
Yes, you're right. And learning language or developing any skill inside of you, you have to be a very patient type of person. You have to be,
Yeah.
and like obsessiveness, there's no space, obsessiveness in your life.
Mhm.
Obsessiveness will never let you calm and compose for any achievement what you usually expect to have on certain time. So you have to deal with a lot of your natures of your own if you
Yeah.
really want to achieve anything in your life, I think.
That's right. So, see, I suggest few of the ways to the viewers, those who struggle to speak in English well. Number one, they should not be fearful, even if you feel I'm not sure whether I'm speaking right or wrong. So, remember, people don't remember your grammar, they just remember your confidence. So, confidence is something very important. Number two, try to think in English, which I even mentioned in a lot of my videos. If your our input is in English, only then the output will be in English. But if the input is Hindi, output can be English. It's not possible. So think in English. For thinking in English, you do not require anybody in the world. You yourself is enough. So think in English. What we people do, we don't think in English and then we say, I'm not getting it. So thinking in English is very important. Number three, yes, as you suggested, we can read a lot of books and we can start with the children books from there because then it becomes reachable and understandable, and slowly and gradually you can increase the level, even going towards the newspaper and some magazine articles. And then improve the listening also, because listening is very important. If you listen something in particular language, so you get the grip of it, your ears get used to it, and what you listen is what you speak up. You react accordingly, like whatever you listen. So listening is important, like even you said, listening to American web series or some content that is not Indian, that is like that is of British language or American English, so that will really help you a lot to be better. So these are few suggestions. If anyone would be following, surely you can have a grip on the language slowly and gradually if you will be regular. But if somebody wonders, no, let me just give it a try for 1 month, it's not going to work.
Yes, you're right, ma'am. People have, fixing their mindset as a temporary, you can say, like because of they are being influenced by others, right? It doesn't work for a long time. It would be existence inside of you for a while, and after that, you are going to turn into something else. Your minds turn into something else, right? So to be stick into, or sorry, to be stick on one decision, particular decision, and working upon, then only you will be there. I think where
Yeah.
you often want to be, right? So that in I mean that. sorry, determination and dedication, the both things are very requirement, and discipline also.
Yes, discipline is very important. Very important.
Yes. So before moving ahead, you have to fix your mindset and establishing some discipline in your life, no matter how, but I have to be there and I have to achieve that.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so it was really lovely connecting with you, and I hope to connect even in the future also. And thanks once again for connecting and pushing me up to go forward.
Yes, ma'am. I always get a lot of things from your videos. You are truly inspirations for many women, I would say. The way you explain, it's a quite impressive, I would say.
Yeah, thanks a ton with that. And I hope now I will be regular in posting my videos and would not be breaking the rhythm.
Of course. Thank you so much, ma'am, for just, giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much, really.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye.